Hi, thanks for dropping by. I'm going to show you how easy it is to deploy a multi-node Elasticsearch cluster with Kibana in Minikube using the Elastic Helm Chart. I'm going to start Minikube with arguments to give it 4 CPUs and 8 gigs of RAM as we're deploying a multi-node Elasticsearch cluster. Now I'll do a Helm init to deploy the tiller pod and add the repo for the Elastic Helm Charts. I'm grabbing a values.yml for the chart that allows multiple Elastic nodes on a single Kubernetes node, as this is Minikube and there is only one Kubernetes node. I'm deploying the Elasticsearch chart. Let's watch as the pods go through init, running, and ready. I'm looking for a 1/1 for all pods under the ready column. Now let's deploy Kibana and wait for it to be ready. I'll add a port forward for the Kibana port 5601 and launch a browser to localhost 5601. Here I'm enabling monitoring of the Elastic Stack. I'll come back to this in a minute. Let's add some sample data and look at the dashboards. Of course, you can add real data using beats or logstash. In this video, I'm focusing on the use of the Elastic Helm Charts. I'm going to filter the data by clicking on Visuals in Kibana. Okay, let's go back to monitoring and check on our cluster state. We've got 3 nodes, and you can see the amount of RAM that's being used, the amount of disk that's being used, and the state of Elasticsearch itself. Thanks for coming by. Check out the charts on github.com/elastic/helm-charts. Have a good one.